Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw cryptocurrency from deriv to your wallet. So in this case I have Bitcoin that I need to withdraw here, and this is a value of about $57.71. and in my other video I've actually done, this is the video of how I was actually showing how to make a deposit, and this time around I need to move this money from my deriv account. I need to see how long it takes, what the process is like, and I would love to welcome you to my channel. If you're new, please consider hitting the subscribe button. My channel talks about things to do about online entrepreneurship and how to make money online. So let me just head over to my Bitcoin account. As you can see, this is my Bitcoin account and I have a balance of $64.16, and what I need to do now is to start the process of withdrawing the Bitcoin. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go on withdraw, okay, and then the first thing that I have to do is to verify that I need to make this withdrawal, and they've actually sent me an email. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to my email to click the link that they have sent to me. So there we go. I'm gonna click on the link to verify that I need to make the withdrawal. It was me who made the request. So now I'm gonna come to this page. I need to withdraw everything that I have. So here they need amount, okay, and then here they need the Bitcoin address, okay. So that's my Bitcoin address that I need to send the money to, and then here the Bitcoin amount. I need to check everything out, okay. So I may have to type this manually. Hey, let me see, how do I copy this? Okay, I can't copy that. Okay, I can't copy that. I may have to type this manually, but you must always avoid typing manually, okay. So I'm gonna go on 0. Minimum amount is this amount, okay. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna 0.0013944. I'm sure there's a charge to withdraw this money, but I just need to make sure that I withdraw everything out, okay. Let me just confirm those numbers, okay, and then I'm going to click on withdraw, see what happens next. Okay, so right now this says pending transaction, okay, it's saying pending transaction, and as you can see that transaction not processed yet. Okay, so I'm going to wait to see how long does the process take, okay, after I've actually done this this request. Okay, so I'm just going to pause this video and see what happens and how long my wait is going to be. So here I've got, this is 1544 GMT, so let's wait. So after waiting a little while, I've just noticed that my Bitcoin balance now went to 0. Everything went to 0. I have nothing in my account right now. So you may experience the same thing. And then when I went to my Bitcoin account, I'm just gonna refresh. Remember, I had about $60, and it's just the same. The money hasn't arrived yet. So my whole goal here is to see how long it takes for the Bitcoin to reach my account. So I'm not really sure what factors do they consider when actually they are sending Bitcoins, but I'm sure if it's not an automated process, I have to wait a little bit longer. So again, I'm just going to pause this video, wait, and then show you the results, guys. And yeah, so if maybe you're having the same challenge, you gotta wait, have patience. Okay, thank you, see you soon. So right now I'm actually logged into my Bitcoin account. As you can see that my balance has actually changed and I've received the Bitcoin, but one thing that I cannot really tell you is how long does it take to receive the cryptocurrency, because what I then had to do, I waited and waited. I started doing some other things, and in between I didn't calculate the hours actually at which point the money actually got into my account. So I just had to come and check, and the money is there. So again, I have done a video that explains if you go to my YouTube channel anyway, that explains why Bitcoin confirmations takes long and how you can actually track if your incoming money is actually coming in. So that's about it on how to withdraw cryptocurrencies on deriv platform. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section below, And if you are new to Deriv, I've added some of the information that you may need in the description below about making money online and creating your Deriv account. And thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.